This week, I've been working on developing the website that will display the weather data collected from the LoRa gateway. This will satisfy the requirement for Microchip to create a graphical user interface and display it on a PC so that the weather data can be used by the user in a meaningful way. So the website directly interacts with the LoRa gateway, which has collected the data collected from the sensors in the RN2483 module for each of our nodes. The app will then interact with the website. The app does not directly interact with the nodes or the gateway themselves, but it'll strip the text from the website to display the weather data mobily. So as you can see here, the website, this is just sort of like an outline for what it will look like. It'll have 5 tabs: the home page, an about section, a page for the mobile app so that it can display information about how to use it and how to download it. The other 2 pages will be contact. This will be so that users can send feedback if something isn't working on the website for them, or if they have a question about the information being processed from one of the nodes. And then our other page will be a nodes page, which will display a list of all the nodes we have set up, and then if you click on one of the nodes, it'll display up-to-date information about that node. So similar to the app, it'll display pressure readings, the temperature, and stuff like that. My idea for the homepage is that it would display a map with all of the nodes that we have connected marked by this red marker. So if you click on the red marker, that'll take you to more specific information about each node. One of the things I hope to create with the website is sort of like a pinch and zoom function on the map so that you could drag the map if you wanted to look at nodes in a specific city. So for the website, I've been using just a simple text editor in HTML and CSS for now. One of the things we have to research is how to host our website, or where we want to host it at a good price. So we've looked into Google Domains, GoDaddy, and then one easy way would just be to host our website, at least temporarily, using GitHub.
So over winter break, I will be doing more research into our different options for web hosting and writing more code to further develop the communication between our website and our mobile application. In addition to this, I will be playing around with the Microchip Curiosity board that we just got from our mentor, and hopefully in a month's time we'll have a physical prototype to show you guys.
For our last bit of progression and what we're going to be looking at to do over the winter break, recently we just met with our sponsor from Microchip, Garrett, and he gave us a Curiosity board. Now this board can actually help us use both the WeatherClick and the Express board, and it'll help us integrate with our LoRa modules themselves. Now he did just recently give us these. We hadn't planned on using them, so we have been looking into doing some research, and there's also another little brother version of this board that we could use, but it would only be able to support either the WeatherClick or the Express board. So we're looking at several different options to see. Maybe we will use both, maybe just one. Also, we've been looking into putting possibly Wi-Fi or maybe even Bluetooth on this board. Our Garrett has given us a few suggestions on what kind of chips we could use to handle Wi-Fi the best, so that'll be what we're looking to do going forward from here.
So over the winter break, the team will have access to an engineering lab facility, much like the one shown in the picture. Here we can test and begin to develop code for all of the demo boards we received from our Microchip sponsor. There is also a 3D printer located in the lab that we can use to begin prototyping our enclosure with. Along with these, the team will also have access to PCs, soldering equipment, and a multitude of test equipment such as oscilloscopes and thermal probes.